What is up, guys? We're at Cars and Coffee at Post Houston. We have this nice McLaren 765 LT MSO with the Rift exhaust. We have a Lexus LFA right there. One of 3 sunset oranges right there. V10 tuned by Yamaha right there. Looking very nice right there as well. We have a Ninja H2 right here. Titanium exhaust as well. Looking very nice. A BMW one. Wow, I like this nice bike right there. We have Arturo Supercar in his Huracan Evo right there, looking very clean. Followed by the US Performante in this nice white color. Excuse my voice, kind of have a cold, but we got to get this content. Followed by a nice Chevy C10. Here's the back of the US Performante right there. We have H-Town Lambo and the Huracan Evo right there. Followed by Marine Lambo and the US right there. Followed by the Cadillac CTS V right there as well. Followed by a Lamborghini Huracan STO. Looking very clean in the Vado Scandal color right there as well. Check out this color on this Huracan Evo. Looking very clean. Right there, followed by Marine Lambo as well, followed by the CTS V as well. We got Stetson and the Lamborghini Huracan LP560-4, followed by Kayla and that Camaro right there, followed by this black Camaro, and then a toppy red right there. Check out this nice Ferrari SF90 right there, looking very clean. And you can't sleep on these BMWs, man. Followed by a 765, looking very nice in this Nada gray scheme. We have a very nice Corvette Z06 right here, looking very clean in this nice orange, and followed by another Z06 right here in this white color, followed by a Camaro, followed by a Corvette. Check out this Golf delivery on this Porsche Carrera right there.
Hold on. Oh, we got the V, y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all know I love. Reason my name is Caddy, because of that right there, the V2. So, yeah, man, make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe. It's your boy Cool as Eyes Mo, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned. We got something very special coming next weekend, so y'all don't want to miss that and the weekend after. So, y'all stay tuned.
We have this nice Ruby Star GT3 right there. I believe this is Ruby Star. Yeah, I'm not. Looking very nice with a nice wing on there, followed by this Grand Sport as well. Most Grand Sports have that blue stripe as well, followed by a Z06. Check out those rims on that Z06. Caddy, this Supercars got a V8 Cadillac right here, looking very clean, followed by a Mark 4 front end on this 5.0 as well. We have LMR right here, looking very clean, followed by this US Performante. Very nice. Have a nice Technica right there. Followed by this nice Huracan right there. I forgot the color of this. It's like blue Gatos or something like that. Followed by this nice GT3. We have a Black Mamba Edition right there, looking very clean. MSO 765. Followed by an SVJ. Nice Shelby GT500 rolling in, followed by this Corvette Stingray as well, followed by an R8 second gen. We have a Gallardo right there, twin turbo Gallardo by the way, looking very clean, followed by a 458 Italia right there, looking very clean. We got Corsa Exotics right there, followed by a Lamborghini US Performante. This Ford GT is clean right there, looking very clean, and the 05 model right there. This is a nice orange on this McLaren 720 right there. We got the Carmon in his nice R8 right there, looking very clean. So Check out this GT4 RS right here, looking very clean, and this green right here, color shifter with changing into purple. Check out this GT3 RS followed by the 6 spec on this STO right here, looking very nice. My first time actually seeing this. I've been trying to see this for a very long time now. Looking very nice with the blue accents, with the white front diffuser right here as well. Looking very clean. GTR R35 right there, looking very nice in that spec. Followed by this another R35. The R35s are pouring out deep, not gonna lie. But we have that black one, followed by this 50th anniversary one. Man, I think that's an alpha pack on there. Correct me if I'm wrong. Another 50th anniversary. No, that is not a 50th anniversary. Followed by an older Nissan GTR. Clean spec on this Urus right here, looking very clean. Followed by this Mark 5 Super. Those pops are insane on that Super right there. That is a very clean. I would get rollers low key of that Super. Followed by Betty White in his Corvette right here, looking very nice on the red rims right there. Followed by a Ferrari 458 GTB with a red interior as well. Some nice old school classics right there. Looking, is that Fastlane? I think that's Fastlane, and the AMG GTC right there, the 570S right there. Check out this matte gray or matte silver F8 Tributo right there, looking very nice in matte black accents. I believe this is an M5 comp right here, looking very nice in this gray color right there. Composition right there. We have D3 Motorsports Darren driving in his R8.
Where y'all at? Right, y'all know where to be found down there.
Very clean Mark 4 Super right here, followed by a track package on this Shelby GT500. This is a nice NSX as well, followed by this nice Lotus Evora in orange as well. It's kind of blue, but it's hard to pick up. Let me turn up my exposure right there. You can kind of see the blue peeking as well. Followed by this nice BMW on those nice rims as well. Very nice classic Mustang rolling in fastback, followed by this nice BMW M4 as well in this very nice color, a 2-door. Check out this Volcano Orange right here, 720, followed by the Aventador. We have an R8 that just pulled up right here. Is this a tank right here? We have a tank right here, a bulletproof tank right here. Okay. We have this Ferrari 458, 488, I'm not sure. 458 actually, followed by this nice C8 right here, looking very nice. Go follow him on Instagram for Blue JJ C8 right there. We have 707 pulling in right here, looking very nice in this blue color, followed by this Aston Martin V8 Vantage.
That's they gotta drive it out.